Q so on are needed to give the sum 120. What is the given sequence? Given sequence is 3, 3 square, 3 cube, so on. This is the given sequence. In this, first term is 3. That means A is equal to 3. Common ratio is 3 square by 3. 9 by 3. 9 by 3 means 3. So common ratio is 3. Next, what is given? Sum is how many terms are needed. That means n value is how much. How many terms means n value. N value is how much? If the sum is 120. The sum is 120. So given Sn is equal to 120. Sum of n terms is 120. So what is the formula for sum of n20? A into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1 is equal to 120. This is the formula for Sn. Here r value is more than 1. 3 means more than 1. That's why we need to use this formula. A into 3 into 3 power n minus 1 by 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 is equal to 120. 40. So 3 power n minus 1 is equal to 80. 3 power n is equal to 81. 81 means 3 power 4. Therefore n is equal to 4. So number of terms needed to add to get 120 is 4 terms. Next problem. Sum of the first 3 terms of a GP is 16 and sum of the next 3 terms is 128. Determine first term. That means A value is how much, common ratio is how much, and sum of n terms of the GP is how much. So let A denotes first term. Let A denotes first term, comma R denotes common ratio of a GP, common ratio of a GP. Then A, comma AR, comma AR square, comma AR cube, so on. This denotes GP. This sequence denotes GP. Next, here what is given? Sum of first 3 terms of GP is 16. 1, 2, 3. Sum of first 3 terms is 16. That means A plus AR square is equal to 16. Given A plus AR square is equal to 16. Next, sum of next 3 terms. 1, 2, 3. Next 3 terms means AR cube plus AR power 4 plus AR power 5 is equal to 120, 128. So determine the first term and common ratio. So here if you divide 1 by 2, then A plus AR square is equal to 16 by, in the denominator you will get AR cube plus AR power 4 plus AR power 5 is equal to 128 is equal to 16 by 128. So if you take A common, 1 plus R square by, if you take AR cube common, 1 plus R square is equal to 1 by 8. 1 plus R square gets cancelled, A gets cancelled. So R cube is 1 by R cube is equal to 1 by 8. So 1 by 8 means we can write 1 by 2 whole cube. See 1. Comparing LHS and RHS, R is equal to how much? Common ratio is how much? Common ratio value is 2. Next, find A value. Determine first term. First term is A value. So how to find A value? Here A plus AR square is how much? From 1 A plus AR square is equal to 16. R value we know. A plus AR means 2A plus AR square, that means 4A is equal to 16. 4A plus 2A plus A, that means 7A. 7A is equal to 16, therefore A is equal to 16 by 7. A value 16 by 7. R value 2. Next, find the sum of n terms. Here R value is more than 1. Therefore, Sn, sum of n terms formula, A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. That means A into 16 by 7 into R power n. R power 2 power n minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Therefore, sum of n terms is equal to 16 by 7 into 2 power n minus 1. By 1 means no need to write. 7 into 1, 7. Next problem, given a GP with A is equal to 729. What is given? Given A is equal to 729. Seventh term, given seventh term. Seventh term means A into R power 6. Seventh term is A into R power 6 is equal to 64. Here A value is given. A is how much? 729 into R power 6 is equal to 64. R power 6 is equal to 64 by 729. This is 2 by 3 whole power 6. Therefore, R is equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means less than 2 by 3 means 0.6. 0.6 means less than 1. This is the value of R. Next, we know A value, we know R value. Next, to find seventh term is 64, determine S7. Let Sn denotes the sum of n terms of a GP. Then Sn is equal to formula A into, here R value is, common ratio value is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means less than 1. Less than 1 means formula is 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R. So Sn is equal to A into, A value 729 into 1 minus R power n. R value 2 by 3. 2 by 3 whole power n by 1 minus 2 by 3. So Sn is equal to 729 into 3. S7 is equal to 1 minus 2 by 3 whole power 7. So 1 minus 2 by 3 means 1 by 3. So 3 will come here. 1 minus 2 power 7 by 3 power 7. Simplify this, then you will get the value of sum of 7 terms of a given GP. Problem, find a GP for which sum of the first 2 terms is minus 4 and fifth term is 4 times the third term. Then in this problem, given let A is the or A denotes the first term. Let A denotes the first term, comma, R denotes the common ratio. R denotes the common ratio of a GP, of a given GP. Then what is given? First sum of the first 2 terms. So what is the standard form of a GP? If A and R is given, A comma AR square comma AR cube comma so on. So here what is given? First 2 terms. Sum of first 2 terms means A and AR. A plus AR is equal to 4, not 4, minus 4. So sum of first 2 terms is minus 4. Next, fifth term. Fifth term means 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth terms means A into R power 4. A into R power 4 is equal to, fifth term is equal to 4 times to the third term. Third term is 1, 2, 3. Third term is A into R square. A gets cancelled. R square times gets cancelled. So R square is equal to 4. So R is equal to plus or minus 2. R is equal to plus or minus 2. Case 1. If R is equal to 2, R is equal to plus 2. If R is equal to plus 2. Before finding case 1, if you know R, you can find A value. So if you substitute R value here, A plus, otherwise continue here only. If r is 2, a plus ar is equal to how much here? Minus 4. A plus 2a is equal to minus 4. So 3a is equal to minus 4, a is equal to minus 4 by 3. Therefore, GP is, required GP is a means minus 4 by 3, comma a into r, minus 4 by 3 into r, minus 8 by 3, comma a r squared, 4 into minus 4, minus 16 by 3, comma so on. Case 2. If you take case 2, if r is equal to, common ratio is minus 2. If r is minus 2, then a plus ar is equal to how much? Minus 4. R value is minus 2. A minus 2a. Minus a is equal to minus 4. So a is equal to 4. A is equal to 4. If a is 4 and r is minus 2, then the GP is 4 comma minus 8 comma 16 comma so on. This is the second case. Next problem, if the 4th, 10th and 16th terms of a GP are x comma y comma z respectively, then prove that x, y, z are in GP. Here 4th term, 10th term and 16th terms of a GP are given. So let A denotes the first term, comma R denotes the common ratio of a given GP. Then what is the standard form of a GP? A comma ar square comma ar cube comma so on. So here first, second, third, fourth term is x, 10th term is y and 16th term is z. Given fourth term means A4 means A into R cube. A into R cube is equal to x. Next 10th term is equal to A10 is equal to A into R power 9. A into R power 9 is equal to y. Next 16th term is equal to A16. A into R power 15 is equal to z. Next, given condition is prove that they are given 4th, 10th, 16th term are equal to x, y and z. Next, what we have to prove? Prove that x, y, z are in GP. Let A, B, C are in GP. If A, B, C are in GP, what is the condition for GP? Common ratio between two consecutive terms must be same. So B into, by cross multiplying, what we will get? B square is equal to AC. Very important condition. If A, B, C are in GP, if A, B, C, three numbers are in GP, then what is the condition? A, B, C are in GP, B square equal to ABC. B square equal to AC. B square equal to AC. What we have to prove? Prove that these three numbers are in GB. X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z are in GP. We have to prove. That means what is the condition? B square equal to AC. That means Y square equal to X, Z. If X, Y, Z are in GB, then y square is equal to how much? XZ. What is y square value? Y square is equal to how much? Y. Y means A into R power 9 whole square is equal to X. X means A into R power 3 into Z. Z means A into R power 15. So A square into R power 18 is equal to A into A square R power 18. So LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, X, Y, Z are in GB. X, Y, Z are in GB.